Hey guys, it's MSD2474, and as you can see, there's my Pepper Clark figure that you see in the camera. Now, today I am making an unboxing video. An unboxing video! Yay! Alright, anyway. So I have to use these to open it up, and let me get the thing out. Wherever the piece is. There it is, I need it like that. So, I got this really heavy and big, ginormous box. What could possibly be in it? Hold on, let me hold the camera. Anyway, hold it. What can I use? Trying to find something. You know what? Never mind. I'm just gonna do it like this. Oops. So I have a bunch of fire alarms that actually arrived a little bit of a day early. They were supposed to arrive on Wednesday, and they came a day early, which is something I honestly was not expecting. And this box is being a pain. It's being a pill. Sorry, I wasn't aiming. Anyway, I'm not viewing there because it has the address, and I do not want you to find where exactly my grandfather lives, because these alarms were at his place for a while, and yeah, dang it. I'm trying to avoid that thing that has the address, so. Oh, this piece is. Come on. There we go, we got that part. So, let's just. Hold on. Okay, so. Awesome unboxing. I think there's a. Trying to get all this tape out of my way. Whatever. Here's one, and here's the other. Oh, what do we got here? What do you know? Another B5. I got two of them now. I got two B5s. This one's got writing on it. This one's a bit loose. I'll fix that later. This one, the button's a bit loose on this one. So anyway, we got a B5. Let's put that there. And what else we got? Oh my god! A Wheelock ZNS. This is ceiling mount. It's the ceiling mount Wheelock ZNS. Woohoo! You're going to see a ZNS now. And whoa, I got this thing in bubble. Another box. Wowzers. And another thing. Well, let's move this. And another thing is in there. I wonder what's in there. So I'm just going to move this thing out of the way. Take a look what's in this envelope here. A lock. A lock to an Ademco Vista. An Ademco Vista panel. Let's move that in there. I'll get to this big box here in a moment. we're just gonna find out what's in here. Ugh. Oh, what's this? An adapter? So I can, you know, make some more. My Wheelock ZNS is here. I'm so happy. And this thing looks upside down. Because obviously it's ceiling mount, but obviously now let's take a look at what's in this big box here. This big one here. So, what? There's another one? Hold on. We got this thing here. I wonder what's in it. Hold on. ZNS. Once again, a ZNS. I'm happy. Anyway, let me just try and get this thing open. Where did I put my... Ah, here it is. Hold on, I'll get my scissors. Here are my scissors. So, as you can see, there's a tornado thing right there. Like, and it's a bit more. Alright. So, here's what's in here. A Spectralert! And here's some Here is some instructions. And is there something else? Oh, here's the alarm itself. Ah! More. Here's the box to the Spectralert. It's brand new. Brand new, people. And here's the mounting plate, and here's the Spectralert. I'm gonna put it on in a second, eh? Here's supposed to be a removal tool in here. Where's the removal tool? Hey guys, it looks like it didn't come with a removal tool. Hold on, I think I have something in here that might... Yep, I got something in here that'll probably remove it. Let me just... Here. Whoops, I did it wrong. Anyway. Okay, so... come on. I don't have the removal tool, so I can't take it off now. Well done, MST. You just screwed up your alarm. Hold on, I think there's a way for me. Yes, I got it. Got it loose. So now... voila, a Spectralert. We got a classic Spectralert. Sort of classic Spectralert, but anyway, it's a Spectralert and it's white. So, I'll put the other thing somewhere else. So, ow! I'm going to put this in my G1 pull station. And I'm going to convert it into a G2. Hold on, I'm going to lay out all this stuff. So, here's everything I got. I'm sorry. There we go, focused. I got a system sensor Spectralert model P2430W. And a Wheelock ZNS MCC FW. And another B5, and it says 270 on it. I'm not sure what that is. I'm going to keep it on there. And a lock that I'm going to put in my G1 and convert it into a G2. Probably not. And an adapter, so Hope you all enjoyed. Goodbye.